Okay, we have two different dog foods here. One's Royal Canine Chihuahua and one is Beneful. And everybody thinks that all dog foods are made the same. Well, with this new little puppy we got, he has a preference. This is Jax, short for Jackson, and he's going through a mix of the two dog foods. He's separating them out, and the ones that that isn't the kind that he wants, he's leaving on the floor. Now he's going over to the one that's completely what he wants. That is Royal Canine Chihuahua. And I've never seen a Chihuahua separate its food out before. Jackson!